The House of Representatives is determined to revitalize Nigeria's livestock industry while also pushing for compensation for farmers who suffered losses due to avian influenza outbreaks. This renewed focus aims to address long-standing challenges in the sector and provide relief to affected farmers. Therefore, under consideration are bills seeking to establish new livestock colleges and research institutions across the country to enhance animal production, research and capacity building. Chairman of the House Committee on Livestock Development, Wale Raji, says the initiative is part of a broader legislative agenda to expand training and research in animal husbandry and veterinary sciences in line with the National Livestock Transformation Plan.
The establishment of these colleges as veritable grant to produce the required manpower and technical know-how in this fledgling sector of the nation's economy, and in line with the present administration's vision and mission to provide enabling environment and best practices for livestock development in our country.
The Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Livestock Development, Chinyere Akujobi, represented by Adeniyi Adedoyin, discloses that government owes 498.7 million naira in compensation to 307 verified poultry farmers affected by bird flu between 2021 and 2023.
There was a federal executive council decision on this payment of compensation, and it's still in force. And from the legal aspect of it, the Animal Disease Control Act of 2022, Section 31, also attests to the fact that stipulate that compensation should be paid in this type of circumstance. So I'm laying that background to attest to the fact that it's our job in the ministry to pay farmers compensation, especially with respect to avian influenza.
Sponsor of one of the bills, Bello Kaoje from Kebbi State, explains that the proposed Federal College of Animal Husbandry Kaoje will serve as a specialized institution to drive innovation, research and training in animal production. The public hearing provides a platform for stakeholders to make inputs that would promote livestock development, enhance productivity and create jobs. From the National Assembly, Henrietta Momodu, EBS News.